What's up, guys?
So my name is Mia Sanalagaan.
I am Sami Valde.
I am Michael Francis. And I am Surya Sabimarina. I'm Bernadette Fajardo. I am Jessica Alexandria. Guys, so ngayon guys, ay magpapakita kami ng aming short vlog patungkol sa kung paano magkakaroon ng maayos na pagkakaunawaan ang kulturang Korean at Pilipino at kung ano ang magiging epekto nito.
Manila, a city of vibrant culture, delicious foods, and condo rentals. But what happens when cultures collide in the world of rental state? Get ready for a hilarious clash in condo chaos. Korean tenant versus Filipino landlady. Our Korean student, Minho, was on a mission. Find perfect condo, survive Manila traffic, and maybe, just maybe, learn a little Tagalog along the way.
Hello, Minho.
Manager Park, so many condos and so expensive.
I have an acquaintance there. Maria is her name. Just ask around for someone named Aling Maria.
Hello Sarah, can we meet?
Okay,
I'm here at the gate of Maring Aliyah.
but I'll be a little bit late because I still have something to take care of.
Are you Aling Maria?
Yes, you are Minho, right? Welcome to my condo. Mukha kang K-drama star.
So, many things?
Cozy yan, para feel at home ka. Gusto mo, Minho, magmerienda muna tayo?
Maria, sino yan? Boyfriend mo?
Merla, tenant ko yan. Minho, she's Mela, my best friend.
안녕하세요.
Ang gwapo niya naman. Bagay kay Maria.
Minho, I'm here!
Minho, ito pala yung contract. Meron tayong pasal.
Pasalo? What is pasalo?
Pasalo means you're taking over the previous tenant's remaining months. It's like a transfer fee.
Hidden fee? Scam?
Ay, Minho, hindi ako scammer ah. Honest ako sa mga borders ko. Yun lang talaga ang usapan dito.
Can you lower price a little bit?
Nako, Minho, sorry talaga. Budget meal na yan.
Oo nga, Menho. Saan ka pa makakahanap ng ganyan?
Manager Park, she no lower price. What do I do?
Minho, stick to your budget. Do not be patient.
Sir Lido, welcome po sa building namin. Mabait po si Aling Maria.
Hoy, Tonyo, siguraduhin mo walang ginagawa yung Koreanong yan, ha? Baka magnanakaw yan.
Sing, huwag kang ganyan. Mabait yan. Huwag kang manghusga.
Okay, Aling Maria, I trust you. I rent your condo.
Talaga ba? Ay, salamat, Minho. Welcome sa aking condo.
Magandang araw, Aling Maria. Can we talk?
Yes, Minho?
I just want to say maraming salamat po. I learned that communication and trust are very important, even if we are from different culture.
Yes, Minho, that's right. And we should be open to understanding others. Nothing is impossible.